I'm Cara, and this is a nice simple yoga sequence we're going to do on all fours. So you're going to start with your hands beneath your shoulders and your knees beneath your hips. So we're stacking the bones so we're nice and supported. And to begin with, we're just going to start with a cat-cow. So as you inhale, the belly comes down, you lift your chest and your chin, lift your gaze. As you exhale, push the ground away. Press the space between the shoulder blades up to the sky and look at your upper legs. Inhale, belly down, lift the chest and the chin, lift your sit bones, push the ground away still. Exhale, curl, press the space between the shoulder blades up to the sky. Really allow that upper back to round, tailbone to tuck. Inhale, belly down, lift the chest and the chin. And then exhale back to neutral, so draw the ribs in. We're going to extend the left leg back behind you, toes tucked under, and then just push through the left heel and pause there. So you're still pushing the ground away, so the shoulders are strong. You don't want to sink down too much. You want to stay in a nice strong position. Push back through that left heel. Good. On your next inhale, lift the left foot high. As you exhale, left foot comes over to the right hand side, so cross behind you, and then look over the right shoulder, so you get a nice stretch on this left hand side. Inhale, left leg lifts high. Exhale, left knee comes towards the elbow. Don't worry if it doesn't touch, it just comes as close as it can come to. Inhale, up and back. Exhale, over to the right hand side, look over the right shoulder. Inhale to lift. Exhale, knee comes wide. Inhale, up and back. And then slide that knee back in. We do exactly the same on the right hand side. You can always sit back and circle your wrists, give them a little rest. If it does become too much for the wrists, then you can also make fists with your hands. Some people find that feels a bit stronger and take some of the weight bearing out of the wrists. Good, extend the right leg back, toes tucked under, push through the heel, push the ground away, strong in the shoulders. And then when you're ready, inhale, lift that right foot high, point back through the ball of the foot. As you exhale, right foot goes over to the left hand side, look over the left shoulder, nice stretch on this right hand side of the body. As you look back towards the foot, inhale to lift high, exhale, knee comes wide towards the elbow. Inhale, up and back. Exhale, over to the left hand side, look over the left shoulder. Inhale, up and back. Exhale, wide towards the elbow. Inhale to lift, holding there. And then slide the knee back in. Good. Again, maybe sit back, circle the wrists. Just take a moment with the weight out of your hands. We've got one more to do on all fours, so coming back. On your next inhale, your left arm is going to reach up to the sky, look up at your thumb. As you exhale, left hand threads underneath. You can come down to the forearm, or if you can thread it all the way through, then bringing the side of the left hand side of the head down to the ground. Retrace your steps. Inhale, left arm lifts up high. Exhale, threading under, either forearm down or side of the head down. Inhale, slowly back up, reach up, look up. Exhale, threading under and holding down there. Good. Again, whether you've got the forearm or you've got the side of the head down, just pausing in that twist, feeling the hips press back square. And then back to all fours, wrists beneath your shoulders. Repeat for the right hand side. So inhale, right arm lifts high, look up at the thumb. Exhale, threading under, either forearm down or side of the head comes down. Inhale, slowly back up, reach up, look up. Exhale to thread under. Inhale to lift. Exhale to thread, and this time we'll hold wherever you are. Just pausing there. Feel that upper body relaxing into the rotation. Hips staying square in the lower body. And then returning back to all fours. Good, allow the head to move. We'll bring the movement to the shoulders and the hips. Just moving any way that feels good for your body to finish off. And then bring the hips back over the heels to finish. And you can always finish lying down in a Shavasana or back in child's pose, whatever feels good for you. Good. Well done.